Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Grayscale. They've bought some more Ethereum and then we will jump over to the charts to have a look at what that effect could have and some prices to target. This news is pretty much fresh out of a block and we've got a couple of tweets here which we'll just run over. There's one from Blockport saying, new Grayscale fund buys 131,254 ETH over the past 24 hours, pushing its total Ethereum up to an AUM of $1.66 billion, which is absolutely massive. We just have a look at this chart here. As you can see, the amount that they're holding is just gradually going up and up and up and going down towards yesterday, which was 8th of December. We have had a big spike up and they're now starting to, these are the prices have been buying them at, and obviously they've averaged up here, but I don't think they're bothered about current price because long term they are massively bullish about a project. And then we just say here, another Grayscale bought 100,000 ETH. So that amount keeps adding up. I think that amount is slightly different to that, but the amount does keep adding up. And it is very, very bullish for Ethereum. We know that Grayscale have been buying up Bitcoin. So that, again, on top of that is absolutely massive. Them two combined, the top two dogs in cryptocurrency, and it is going to eventually push your prices up. Even if we do get a drop, we have had a bit of a drop today and yesterday, but these dips are getting bought up quite rapidly now. And we do know that December, not for Bitcoin but for alts, it is a very, very bullish month, December, so things could start getting tasty soon. But we'll jump over to the charts now and have a look at what's going on with Ethereum and have a look at some potential areas to target. So here we have Ethereum versus the dollar. This is a daily chart. I am using a Coinbase chart. Personally, I don't trade on Coinbase, but it did have predominantly most of the data. As you can see, we hit some highs up at $635. Ever since then, we have hit a little bit of a slight downtrend, but that is always going to happen when you've got such significant rise up. I mean, if you just go back in time and have a look at how far we've moved this year, from them really lows down at $89, sorry, up to the highs at 636. We have done a 609% price raise, $546 per coin added. That is absolutely insane. And as you can see, we do get pullbacks on the way, and we are getting a pullback now. But I just highlighted this area first, daily support level. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 wicks there, which touch that same area, confirms it is an area of valid support. So we have bounced up there. It looks like we're starting to move up with new Grayscale news, and it is turning bullish, and the rest of the altcoins are starting to follow now. What I need to do to have a look at the next levels really is pretty much we need to start moving back up here. Let me just see if we've got any more daily levels there first, in case we've got some to break. Looks like we've got a bit of a level there, to be honest. I'll mark it up. Personally, I only use weekly and daily levels, but that looks like a key level there. As you can see, we acted as support there, come way through support and support there. So that's a key level to target as well. Just drop that into the daily. So what I want to see to flip this pretty much a little bit of a bearish bias is flip this area of daily support at daily resistance, should I say, at $585. Once we break that, close the daily candle above it, 628 is the next level. Once we start closing some candles above here, we only have some weekly and monthly supports here, but yeah, where have I gone to? I've gone all the way up, to be honest. Look at all-time highs. So I think we do need to start closing above these. When we start closing above here, this is the next level. When we do break $741, the monthly resistance, I will readdress this video and do some further analysis there. If we just drop into a weekly and have a look how that's looking, still bullish. As you can see, we rejected all the way down, but that is a very bullish candle to me so far. We are climbing and climbing. And let's have a look at a monthly time frame. How bullish does that look? That is absolutely insane. We are respecting the levels pretty well. I mean, you could say if we turn bearish, there's potential to come down to these levels. But in my opinion, I think we are now bullish. And like I said, December is a very, very good month for altcoins. So we should start pushing. If we just drop back into a daily time frame. So that is what we should need to aim at, closing above these levels. If we do flip bearish, this is going to be obviously next level target 517 and 420, but I don't think we're going to go down there, to be honest. We've had quite a what's that in price since then to here. We've had a 16% drop, and that's quite severe, really, considering the move we had up. So I do think that we're going to start pushing up now. If we just put the AMAs on, AMAs are very bullish still. We had a cross down here on the 11th of October, and we are starting to push up, and we pretty much shot right through that AMA 30, and we've tapped out daily resistance, and we've popped back up. I'm expecting these to stay wide as we start to push up now. As you can see, we have started to come in a little bit, but I do think we're going to start pushing up. I think this Grayscale news is very, very bullish. What I want us to do is also put the Hitman on. The Hitman works out when there is a shift in market momentum. As you can see here, we was bearish in February. We then flipped bullish in April, bearish in September, and now we have been bullish since pretty much Friday the 13th of October. Unlucky for some, but if you don't believe in that stuff, then we're going to keep going. So this is what's happening in current times. To remain bullish, we do need to close above this level, in my opinion. Even the next couple of days, if we do close above that, then we can target the next levels. It is all looking good at the minute. I'll just also give a little bit of analysis on Bitcoin. As you can see, it's very, very similar chart. We have been massively bullish since pretty much March, really. If you zoom out, look at a chart. We've had some reliefs. We had a bit of a relief here. We shot back up, a little bit of relief, come back up. And we are pretty much in a consolidation zone for now. This is what I've drawn. This is what is my perfect scenario to happen to Bitcoin over the next month or two. So I put this box on here on that day, on the 27th of November, and I put a tweet out saying that I feel that due to December being a bullish month for alts, I honestly think that Bitcoin is going to be quite stagnant and going to stay in this range for the next month or potentially 2 months while altcoins do their thing. We could use support at 17,200, even we've used daily support at 17,679. We will use these areas as support. If we do lose them, we might wick down and claim some support at 16,330, but I'm looking for us to remain trading within this area for a good month or two. Hopefully longer, really. I mean, the longer BTC ranges, the better it is for alts. Altcoins push on a stable Bitcoin. That's what we're looking for. And Ethereum will do the same. Ethereum is now in this area. It's in a little bit of a consolidation area. I mean, we've been here since 20th of November within this range between monthly support and weekly resistance. So I think we do need to start pushing out. We want Bitcoin to stay within this area, go sideways. Even if we go sideways down to here mid next year, that will be absolutely massive for alts, because we want a stable Bitcoin. We want Ethereum to pop. We want XRP to pop. I've got a bit of a bullish flag here on XRP. If we do break out of this for now, I reckon we can see it's going to 86 cents. That is just a little bit. I know a lot of people aren't big fans of XRP. Personally, I just like to do a bit of TA on it. So that is going to be analysis for today. Just a little bit of run over Ethereum and the Grayscale news and what we need to happen, and the perfect scenario for what you could say an alt season coming forward for Ethereum and all the alts. So that will do it for today's video. Please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, make sure that you are in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops, and I'll catch you next time.